We shall do now percentages topic. Percentages. So percentage is per 100. If I need to compare two students, if a student got 88 marks out of 90 and other student got 127 marks out of 129.5, it would not be easy for us to compare these two students. So if the bases are same, suppose the student A got 97 out of 100 and student B got 96 out of 100, clearly I can say student A performed better than student B. So if we have same base, life becomes easy. So that is the reason we follow percentages. The major advantage is to compare with according to the same base. So how to convert number to percentage? So to convert number to percentage, I need to multiply with 100 and place percentage sign. So if you are good at converting fractions to percentage, you can save a lot of time in calculations and you can solve questions in less time. So please do remember how to convert fractions at least up to 1/12 to percentages. 1/2 in terms of percentage is multiply with 100 and place percentage sign, which is 50%. So similarly 1/3 is, if you convert into percentage, you get 33 1/3%. In competitive exams, they prefer instead of decimals fractions, so try to learn in terms of fractions. 1/4 is 25% and 1/5 is 20% and 1/6 is 16 2/3% and 1/7 is 14 2/7%. 1/8 is 12.5% or 12 1/2%. 1/9 is 11 1/9%. 1/9 is 11 1/9%. 1/10 is 10%. 1/11 is 9 1/11%. And 1/12 is 8 1/3%. If you can remember up to 1/12, it's more than sufficient. But if you can remember up to 1/20, calculation becomes faster, which will save your time. How to convert percentage to number is, if I need to convert 200% to number, so remove percentage sign and divide by 100. So 200% is same as 2. We need to divide by 100 and remove percentage sign. So now the golden rule is how to convert percentage word problem into mathematical equations. Whenever you say word problem, generally students are afraid. So if you can follow these rules easily, you can convert the word problem into mathematical model. So what are the rules is mathematical model. The first rule is, whenever you see is or was, you can replace with equal to sign. You can replace is or was with equal to sign. Whenever you see percentage, you can replace with 1/100. Whenever you see of, you can replace with multiplication sign. And whenever you see what, you can replace with a variable. This is multiplication sign. Whenever you see what, you can replace with a variable like x or y or z, which are the variable you like it. You can replace with a variable x or y or z. So for example, 20 is, this is an easy question. It might look not so beneficial by learning this, but I'm sure for a difficult question or any type of question, if you are struggling in percentage question to form a mathematical equation, this will help you. 20 is what percentage of 60. So 20 is equal to, just now we learned is equal to, what is some variable, percentage is 1/100, of is multiplication sign 60. So which is 20/60 into 100, 1/3 into 100. We know 1/3 in percentage is 33 1/3%. So x should be 33 1/3%. How fast we can solve a question is more important than solving question, as I frequently say. So try to be fast. Next is finding percentage decrease and percentage increase. So how to do percentage decrease and how to find percentage decrease and percentage increase is, I need to find what is the percentage decrease from 3 to 2. By what percentage I need to decrease 3 to get obtain 2. So please do remember, suppose if I have 1/2 and 1/3, which is greater? Definitely 1/2 is greater. So if you want percentage increase more, the denominator should be always less. we want less, percentage decrease is less, the denominator should be more. So what should be the percentage decrease? If you want to take a different example, I want to decrease 5 to 3. What is the percentage decrease? So percentage decrease is given by difference upon, I just told you to have a less number, denominator should be more. So difference upon larger number into 100. Just remember like this so that you'll never forget and you'll not have any confusion. So difference upon larger number into 100 will give you the percentage decrease. So the percentage decrease is 5 minus 3, 2 upon 5 into 100. 1 upon 5 is 20%, so 2 upon 5 is 40%. And if you need to find percentage increase is given by difference upon smaller number into 100%. Difference upon smaller number into 100%. Smaller number into 100%. This is the percentage increase formula. So according to me, these formulas are more than sufficient in percentages. You can solve any question by using your brain, but if you want more formulas I can teach you, but these are more than sufficient. So what are the other formulas which might be required for you to solve questions easy is, suppose a quantity is increased by X percentage. A quantity is increased by X percentage. By what percentage the increased quantity should be reduced? By what percentage the increased quantity should be reduced? By what percentage the increased quantity should be reduced? To get back to the original quantity or to obtain original quantity. To obtain original quantity. So since it is a percentage, what is a by what percentage the increase will reduce? So it is now it should be reduced. So which is percentage decrease? Percentage decrease is given by X upon the larger number, which is 100 plus X into 100%. For example, 100 is increased by 10%. So now it becomes 110. So by what percentage I should reduce 110 to get back 100? So this is percentage decrease. Percentage decrease is difference upon larger number into 100. So 1 by 11 is, we already learned, 9 1 by 9 1 by 11%, 9.09%. So students always think, so if I am increasing something by 10%, I should decrease the increased quantity by 10%, which is not correct. So this is the thing, you should reduce, since the quantity now is higher, you should reduce it by only 9 1 by 11% to get back to the original quantity. So this is the formula. Next formula is, if you are decreasing a quantity, suppose 100 is decreased by 10%, means 100 minus 10, which is 90. Now by what percentage I need to increase 90 to get back to 100? So percentage increase is given by difference upon smaller number into 100. So now I should increase 11 1 by 9%. So the formula is, if a quantity is decreased by X percentage, we should increase it by X upon 100 minus X into 100% to get back to the original quantity. If a quantity is decreased by X percentage, a quantity is decreased by X percentage, the decreased quantity should be increased by X upon 100 minus X into 100% to get back to the original quantity. Last formula which I might be of useful is, a quantity X is increased, a quantity A is increased by X percentage, and the increased quantity is again increased by Y percentage. So 100 initially increased by 10%, which is 110, and 110 is again increased by 20%, which is 22, means 132. So what is the net percentage increase? Net percentage increase is not 30%. So net percentage increase is given by X plus Y plus XY by 100%. Same thing can also be explained for, suppose 100 is increased by 10%, and the increased quantity is reduced by 20%. What is the net percentage decrease? So you just need to replace Y with minus Y. A quantity is increased by X percentage and the increased quantity is reduced by y percentage. So just replace x with y, you get x minus y minus xy by 100. In this case 10 minus 20 minus 200 by 100, which is minus 12 percentage, means the result is decreased by 12 percentage. What is the net result? Decrease. So for increase in the formula I use plus, for the decrease I use minus. For the last, we can also learn population problems. If the present population is P and the population is increasing at the rate of R% per year, then the population after n years is given by A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. If it is decreasing, then the population is A is equal to P into 1 minus R by 100 whole to the power of n. These formulas are more than sufficient, but as I say, if you are good at the initial percentage increase, decrease and how to convert word problem into mathematical model, that is more than sufficient to solve any question.